Fire Nyc occurred on January 22, 2020 at the Hudson Yards construction site. The cause of the fire remains unknown. The fire completely consumed the cab of the crane being used to create the residential building. No injuries were reported. Firefighters from the FDNY arrived at the scene shortly after the initial blaze. They extinguished the flames in a matter of days. Despite the fire extinguishment, the entire crane was destroyed and had to be dismantled. This caused disruption in the project's timeline. All other construction projects in the vicinity were also temporarily put on halt as a precaution. The fire commissioner and his team convened to investigate the cause of the fire. They could not officially release any conclusion regarding the arson. Some speculate that the fire may have been caused by either faulty wiring, or from careless welding. Since the establishment of the New York City Fire Department in 1865, crane fires have been an increasing problem. In 2019 alone, Fire Nyc had reported 10 cases of crane fires across the city. This caused the city to prevent crane operators from working when fire rating certificates had not been cleared. This had to be done in order to ensure public safety and prevent accidents from happening. The Fire Nyc incident sparked a debate about the safety protocols of construction projects in the city. This debate prompted the FDNY to take further investigation in order to avoid similar catastrophes from happening again. Following the investigation, they found that most of the suspicious crane fires were caused by workers not following safety guidelines. The workers did not follow the safety protocols while handling flammable materials, or while welding. Other reported causes were the crane operators not checking for faulty wiring due to negligence. The FDNY then took further safety measures to crack down on these types of accidents. This included more frequent inspections of the construction sites for any violations, or of any safety protocols violated. They also enforced stricter regulations regarding the use of flammable materials, and making sure that all safety protocols were followed. The city also required crane operators to pass a safety certification test. This was done to ensure the proficiency of the operators, and ensure that the Fire Nyc don't happen again. This uptight in safety measures meant that there were fewer cases of crane fires in 2020 than in 2019. Despite this, there have still been a few cases, and more cases have been recorded in 2021. The crane firefighters have come up with more distinct safety protocols for each site to avoid an unfortunate accident from occurring. These protocols include a daily check UPS of each crane and its wiring to detect any problems.